My name is Katie Vanaken, and I have been a part of BPR for 4 years. I moved to Dallas in 2020, so being new to the city, to the state, looking for a new gym, of course, but obviously a new community to meet some friends. So I tried a bunch of different spots, but after an interview with Spencer and kind of meeting the coaches and seeing the gym, I was really sold on the knowledge that each of them had and really liked the programming and the overall kind of idea of leading with longevity as a goal versus kind of just killing yourself with each workout. So they sold me. Been a member ever since. Before joining BPR, I was doing a lot of workouts, kind of like I said, where I would end up on the floor after every workout. I thought I loved that. I did at the time. Still do every now and again, but ended up with some injuries. So just long-term, knowing how much I just love being active in general, wanted to make sure that I was doing what I needed to be able to continue to be active as long as I can. So. Changes outside of the gym, I will say the gym brought me to my relationship. So I have been with Mr. Chris Crouch for about 2.5 years now. So just kind of meeting someone that has been so important to me that I care about a ton has really been a great new chapter for me outside of the gym. I just did this the other day, actually at a doctor's appointment, full transparency. But she was asking me what I did and where I went, and so I was just fully explaining how BPR is a great place for everybody to go. She's asking me about, different body types. I was like, of course, different skill levels, different body types, different ages. So it's really just a great place for anybody, but also that they look at, of course, just your fitness, but also look at stress, diet, mental, social, so they cover really all of the buckets, and you have your own specific coach that's going to work with you on whatever specific goals you have. So just kind of having that one-on-one accountability is something I recommended to them as well.